Inside of my private community, I just had a call with my students where I informed them about a secret $5.5 billion that Visa and Mastercard literally own you. And if you don't watch this video to the very end, you're going to 100% miss out on this $5.5 billion because there's a lot of specifics in terms of what the lawsuit is and how you yourself can get your money. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the entire process right now today. So first, what is this lawsuit about? So it turns out that Visa and Mastercard have been charging exorbitant fees for just basic customer use, even when the businesses themselves that use Visa and Mastercard for their processing have been losing money. So let me explain. During the pandemic, there was a lot of problems with businesses getting charged back, but the thing is that Visa and Mastercard were still charging their fees on top of those chargebacks, even though they agreed not to. So because of that, if you've charged back on a single purchase, or if you're a business owner that's ever received any chargebacks, then you are entitled to a pretty significant amount of money. The total money pool for this is $5.5 billion. So you guys are going to be absolutely missing out if you don't watch this video, because I'm going to be teaching you the exact steps in order to claim your money today. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is going to go to the link in the description of this video, because the problem with this lawsuit is that there has been a lot of fake links. So I'm going to go ahead and provide the real one that you guys are going to go ahead and click on to sign up for in the description down below. Because what you're going to do is that you're going to go to this link right here, which again, I'll include in the description. Please don't Google it, because I want to make sure that you guys don't get scammed and instead get your money. There's been a lot of fake links relating to this lawsuit, so make sure you guys go ahead and use the one that I provided. All you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to go ahead and hit this submit a claim button right here. And as you guys can see, the filing deadline is going to be in 24. So you should be applying for this claim right now today, because it is currently the 2nd of January. So you guys are going to want to make sure that you apply for this right now so you don't miss out. Now, if this is your first time registering for the site, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to this section right here. If you do not have a claimant ID or control number, to provide your taxpayer identification number with some additional information. So if you are a business, you'll have to provide your EIN, but if you're a person that is entitled to a little bit of money, you're going to go ahead and have to provide your SSN. So just keep that in mind. All you're going to want to do is click on this button right here, provide TIN, and then they're going to take you directly to whatever your business name is and your taxpayer identification number. You're going to want to fill out all this representative name, as well as making sure that you do put in the correct information, because always remember, this is a legal matter, and when it comes to legal matters, you always want to make sure that you're filing everything out correctly, because it is illegal to file things out incorrectly. So you guys are going to want to make sure that you actually do file everything out right. Also, go ahead and put in your password, as well as confirm the password, and then hit create account. After you do that, you will get an email within probably a couple days that will provide you with your claimant ID as well as your control number, provided that you're entitled to any money. After that, Visa and Mastercard, you're going to provide your address for Visa or Mastercard to go ahead and send you a check in the mail, or you can go ahead and do a direct deposit into your bank. If you feel comfortable with that, they will do a bank transfer to make sure that you get the money you deserve. But keep in mind, if you guys do not file this out super quick, you are going to be losing out on this money, so you're going to want to go ahead and do it fast. When I said earlier that we brought this up in my private community, that's because I actually brought up this lawsuit when it was originally filed within my private community, because I want to make sure that my credit hackers get the highest quality information before anyone else. But we went ahead and agreed that you guys deserve to have this video as well, because we want to make sure that everyone is entitled to this money here, because it 100% matters that everyone who's entitled to their money takes it out of the pot, so that Visa and Mastercard are forced to do good business in the future. So that's why we went ahead and agreed to make this video for you guys. But I do want to keep in mind there is a lot of information inside of the credit hackers community that I do not share here on YouTube. I talk about how to get a $60,000 personal credit limit, which I do not reveal the secrets on how to get one of those within 12 months on YouTube. I also talk about how to get over $200,000 in no-risk personal business funding that you guys can go ahead and use for whatever. And, you know, if you fail, you fail, and how to actually get around that to make sure that you are not in any personal harm at all, because there is specific techniques that I don't want to get what's called burnt out, so I can't really show them here on YouTube. Plus, we are currently running a limited time free trial for the Credit Hacker subscription. So if you guys go ahead and check that out with one of the first links down below, you'll be able to go ahead and sign up for completely free right now for a limited time. So make sure you do it really, really quick. Also, while you're in the description, you can go ahead and check out my best credit cards of 2024. I have a full list down there that all you need to do is put in your email so I can send you the link. And then after that, you can go ahead and click on it and check out what my favorite credit cards and loans are of 2024. There's a bunch of EU and AU trade lines and included in there that you guys can go ahead and use to get some no-risk funding to you at extremely low interest. Honestly, there is no better time than right now to be getting a new credit card, because I'm telling you guys, it's literally the best I've seen it ever. The interest rate, provided you get the right card, is lower than ever. The starting offers are insane. There's no better time to be getting into the credit card game than right now. There's also no better time to be getting a loan, because the rates for personal loans are actually the lowest they've ever been. Yes, the rates for car loans and mortgages, provided you aren't a member of the Credit Hackers, where I'm going to teach you how to get a 4.5% mortgage, which, by the way, you can get that for free right now if you go ahead and check it out. I have a full bunch of courses in there how to do that. But those personal loans are actually the best I've ever seen, so make sure to go ahead and check those out while you're at it. Also, while you're at it, I have a $1 dispute letter bundle where I'm going to go ahead and put in literally a dozen different letter examples that you guys can go ahead and send to get student loan, medical debt, as well as a bunch of other fun stuff completely wiped off of your credit report. So make sure to go ahead and check that out while you're at it. And with that all being said, guys, we have in fact hit the end of this video. So if you did enjoy it, make sure to go ahead and subscribe, as well as going ahead and liking the video. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a good day. Bye.